I was 4 years old, I found a beat so pure. The drums were calling, so I gave it all. At 10 years old, I met the strings and bows, the electric guitar and double bass it goes. In high school, I joined the classical ensemble, the measured pace and the bows and grace. Beyond the gates, I played on louder stages. The rock bands roar and crowds were calling for more. Beyond the scores, I found a freer tone. In jazz I swayed. Each genre of music shaped the musician I became. Every tone I played, my music has grown.